Hello everyone! Today we'll be drawing a model I found on Pinterest. This is actually the third time I'm drawing using a real person as a reference. I'm starting, as always, with the anatomy. To be honest, I still haven't fully gotten used to drawing anatomy. Some people can sketch it out quickly using basic square forms, but I'm not quite there yet. I hope I'll get better over time. I usually start with the eyes. I can draw the right eye, but I'm not sure if that's the right way to begin. I really struggle with the left eye. I just can't seem to get it right. The jawline doesn't sit properly either, and with the nose, I'm still unsure about which shape works best. I've mostly been practicing by copying anime characters for about a year. But over time, I realized I wasn't improving much. I couldn't draw from imagination like I wanted to. That's why I decided to work with real human references now. I believe drawing in an anime style based on real people will help me grow. Hopefully, my drawings will get better with time. In general, I enjoy drawing hair the most. In the videos, it might look like I'm sketching everything fast and smoothly, but actually I erase and redraw a lot. I usually cut those parts out of the video, but sometimes you might see the unedited parts too. Right now, my videos don't get that many views on average, but I wanted to try voiceover this time. I had tried it once in a shorts video, but it felt a bit difficult, so I stopped. Still, if this video performs better and the average watch time goes up, I might continue doing voiceovers. I know my drawings aren't great at the moment, but I'm not planning to quit. Because I've seen so many artists on YouTube who started out rough and improved a lot over the years. I really enjoy watching those growth journeys. So I'll keep going. Hopefully my drawings will get better too. I wasn't really sure what to say, so I just wanted to try a casual little chat like this. By the way, this is not my real voice. It's generated with AI, just so you know. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support in advance.